Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here with the wood of the day. Any idea? It's a North American hardwood, but more than that, it is a fruit wood. It's hard, difficult to work sometimes at best. The orchards, from time to time, would have to cut a tree down because either it gets sick, it outlives its productivity, or they're planting new varieties. Sometimes they just get too old. And on occasion, you will find them wild in the forest, where they can grow like a timber tree. When they cut these trees down, some of the manufacturers of woodworking tools, especially hand saws, would get the logs, saw them up, and dry them to use for handles. Mainly because of the strength of the grain. It has a interlocked grain. With a good sharp hand plane, it does work well. It will give you a little bit of a workout. But boy, is it pretty. And it takes a polish. That's about it. She's flat. So it's this end and this end. Any idea? Look at that. Now you'll see, like right here, it gets dull, and here, and the grain kind of goes in and out. You may have to use a hand scraper to get some of that to polish up, or possibly just a finer cut might do it. Let's try the bedrock. No, bedrock doesn't have enough of a camber on the iron. Maybe just a little finer cut. Maybe if I skew it a little bit. Let's see how that did. Yeah, that's a little better. Not fantastic, but it is a little better. It's apple. Remember what the doctors would say? An apple a day keep the doctors away? So I don't know what kind of apple. I'm thinking this came, I'm not sure if this came from my tree here, or if this came from a tree that a tree trimmer was taking down. But that is pretty. Sure is. Well, that's about it, everybody. I hope you found this informative, helpful, useful. I was using my Tay Tools 5.5 with its as supplied blade, freshly honed, not sharpened, honed. So I just stropped it. And then I was also testing out the Bedrock number 5 with the IBC blade in it. And that is doing a fantastic job. So I'm very impressed with the IBC replacement iron. I'm going to see if I can get another one in here that is similar in thickness to original Stanley blades, so I can put it in my other planes. Look at that. Good and strong. That's about it, everybody. Like, subscribe, and share, and head out to your workshop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.